So this is the sanitary building sewer, which is located outside the building. So what we have here is we have the clean out, floor clean out. We will have the ventilation for this drain, and then we have the Y coming from the line, the building drain from inside the building, and another Y for the building drain for the other unit inside the building. And on the other side, we're gonna be putting a outside dirty kitchen for the kitchen sink, and this one is another ventilation. So I think we might not need this one for the ventilation. We might just put the ventilation on the kitchen sink where it goes up. So that's our plumbing roughing in outside the building. And you can see here, this film will be going to the septic tank. So this is the kitchen sink sanitary roughing in, and we have the outlet there. On the other side, they are back-to-back kitchen sink. We have the ventilation going up, and then it's connecting to the building drain. The only thing that they miss here is we need a clean out for troubleshooting for the kitchen sink. I think that's one thing that they miss here. Okay, so that's the line. This is for the clean out outside the bathroom to do maintenance for the sanitary building drain. And that's for the lavatory wrapping in. We have this for the water closet, and then that's for the floor drain. So that's the wrapping in for our sanitary building drain. So ito ang excavation ng ating septic tank. Para sa ating septic tank, meron tayong digestion chamber and dalawang leaching chamber. So ang measurement natin dito is 1.6 meters by 4 meters ang total dimension niya ng ating septic tank. So we are preparing para sa paglagay ng rebars, and then buhos na ng ating footings ng ating septic system. Concrete pouring ng ating wall footing para sa ating septic tank. So gumagawa na tayo dito ng hollow blocks para sa ating septic tank. At mayroon siyang tatlong chamber, digestion chamber, and then dalawang leaching chamber. So ito na yung masonry works para sa ating septic tank. Meron tayong gumamit tayo ng CHB ng concrete hollow blocks, and then meron tayong reinforcement na 10 mm vertical and horizontal bars. Ito na yung outcome ng ating septic tank. So meron na siyang masonry, almost nasa final level na siya ng masonry work. Ito na yung update para sa ating septic system. Almost nasa final stage na yung masonry level, and then meron na rin abang galing sa ating sanitary sewer line. So ito ang ating septic system. Meron tayong inlet pipe galing sa bahay, and then another pipe na may transfer from digestion chamber papunta doon sa leaching chamber, na dalawang leaching chamber. So ito yung ating tubo na nailagay. So dalawang pipe siya. So pangatlo, gagawin pa sa pangatlong chamber.